Welcome to Melodic Dictation using the C Major Pentatonic scale. You are with Yolette Stewart. In a previous video, I explained how C major scale is written and drawn on when transcribing melodies in the key of C major. This is what the C major scale looks like. The C major pentatonic scale is very similar to the C major scale, except that it omits or leaves out the 4th degree, which is F, and the 7th degree, which is B. In removing the 4th and the 7th degree, the colour of the scale now changes considerably. Eastern music will often use the pentatonic major scales. Sometimes when we want to go below the pitch of middle C, we need to use small lines that act as an extension of the stave. These are called ledger lines, and we can place many different notes on them. For now, we will focus only on adding in B below middle C, A below middle C, and G below middle C. This is what these notes look like. Please study them carefully, as you may hear them in the melodies that you will be transcribing on the following pages. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription number 1. Here is your answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 1. Here is C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription or Dictation number 2. And here is the answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 2. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription or Dictation number 3. Here is the answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 3. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription or Dictation number 4. Here is the answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 4. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription number 5. Here is the answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 5. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription or Dictation number 6. And here is the answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 6. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription or Dictation number 7. And here is the answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 7. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription or Dictation number 8. And here is the answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 8. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription number 9. And here is the answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 9. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription or Dictation number 10. And here is the answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 10. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription or Dictation number 11. This is a 4-bar challenge. Take your time with the task. Replay the audio as many times as you need to. Focus on an accurate and careful and legible notation. Here is the answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 11. Take your time studying it and comparing it to your notated answer. C Major Pentatonic Melodic Transcription or Dictation number 12. This is also a 4-bar challenge. Again, take your time to notate your answer. Check it carefully. Replay the audio as many times as you need it. And here is your answer to C Major Pentatonic Melodic Dictation number 12. Take your time to check your answer carefully against your notated answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.